All right, so this is Professor Favors with part three, which is a sample working annotated bibliography. So we've done the prep, we've done the research, we've done the prep work in part two. So part one was just essentially searching the information and understanding the difference between the website's landing page and the page that you land on after you have fully clicked all of the tabs that you think you are interested in, and you land on the page that you think you want to use for content. Then part two is just taking a screenshot of that information and then attempting to format the source using the guidelines for formatting for electronic sources. So this is what it should look like once you finish. Remember, um, you want to set the document up for Times New Roman 12. Then you want to insert page number. Page number is going to be at top of page right. Okay. And then in that header, move your arrow to the left, add Smith, and then add a space. And so then it should paginate on each page: Smith 1, Smith 2, and so on. Okay. Click out of that, close header and footer. And then you see that you immediately begin to set this page up for 2.0. Okay. And then go back into the header and remove any space before or remove any space afterwards. So I've already done it. And then you do the MLA page setup information. Make sure to use your particular section number. And the title of the document is going to be Working Annotated Bibliography. Notice that this is alphabetized, so BL comes before BU, G, B comes before G, G comes before T, T comes before W. And then if there is a new entry here from your choice, I just put here W, your choice of a new entry, so that it looks alphabetized, WXYZ, right? And so then we understand from part two how we are formatting Black Lives Matter, right? That particular information, we found it on the news, and then news webpage, and then we have actually the link here, and then the access date. And so we began writing content based upon summary, assessment, and reflection. And then we start with the next source, and you see how it is aligned. The first line is always left aligned, and then all second and subsequent lines, including the annotation, is all lined up, indented and lined. Okay, and so this is how it should look on your annotated bibliography. Also note that this is not an essay. This is not a reading summary. This is not an essay. Therefore, you do not need a works cited page. So this is a sample. I will upload a copy of this. And I will upload both a PDF as well as this Microsoft Word document. So then you can just add in the information here. I would prefer that you attempt to search the information and format it yourself, because you will need to know how to do that for future assignments. Okay. So this is how the sample should look. This is part three.